a new second Christmas present, or late birthday present probably would be better.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do some air frying.
Yeah. So today we're
What?
Let's start over.
Hot, 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 hot. We'll let those cool a second.
We are Peter and Kelly.
And this is PKM Rendered.
A new second Christmas present, or late birthday present probably would be better. But we picked up a Kosari air fryer. This is the 5.8 model, and just going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So before we start using the product, we'll want to make sure that we give it a good cleaning beforehand. So we'll do this by getting some hot soapy water and making sure that we wash both the baskets, the inner one and the outer one, so it'll be nice and clean. Get off any of the oils or contaminants that are left over from manufacturing. And then when this is all cleaned up, just give both trays a nice rinse and either let them air dry or towel dry them, and it should be all good. The next part in this process will be doing the first burn-in cycle. So when that happens, what we're going to do is we're just going to select a preheat selection, and it just goes for 5 minutes and just starts cooking it. And what that'll do is get everything all set up inside, that it'll bake off any other contaminants that didn't get cleaned up by the hot soapy water, and it'll start to smell and stuff at this point, but it'll be okay. Don't worry too much about it, but let it cool down for a few minutes and then put the trays back in and do another cook off, a burn off. And this one I selected a steak preset, and it just goes for 6 minutes, and then just let it go, it'll complete, and then just let everything cool down completely, and then we're ready to start our air frying experience.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do some air frying.
Yeah! So today we're going to fry up some pork belly guys. I'm going to just cut these guys in probably a little bite-sized pieces and fry them up, season them, then fry them up. And we'll do some sweet potato fries.
Yes, sweet potato fries.
And we'll go from there.
Sounds good. I'll get seasoning going.
Thank you.
This is Sucrin. This is our brown sugar substitute that we like to use because we try to do low sugar content in our food. How much would you say?
A little bit. Let's wait till all the stuff's together now. That's probably lots.
You never have too much bread.
And we need some oil.
Do you want this?
No, the
Avocado oil?
yeah.
In here?
Yes.
How much?
Yes, you can. Just to help everything stick together. To get these guys going, we should have preheated.
I was gonna say, do we have to heat it up or anything?
So let's just run the preheat guy. It's only takes 5 minutes for it to preheat.
Do we need the recipe? It's
all
all
up
up there.
here.
All right.
Yeah. So we'll just dump these guys in a little bit. And
How long do they cook for?
about 18 to 20 minutes. So we'll go 18, and we'll do a couple shakes in between and whatnot. So, and then when they're all done, we'll foil them up and set them aside. But we're going to be working on those sweet potatoes as well too. And sweet potatoes only take about 10 minutes in the air fryer.
So it says, yeah.
We'll see, but
We're a little skeptical, but
yeah, we'll take the skin off and cut them into
French fries.
pretty close to French fry shapes, anyways.
Yeah.
Look at you go, lady. Nice. 4 minutes left here. So that's those guys. Try to keep them level. Alright, so this guy, we'll cook them on French fry setting. If I find the French fry setting.
I don't know. What's your recipe say?
Well, it just has the. We'll just do 18 minutes for now. 400 at 18. And in the meantime, let's get some sweet taters going.
Ooh, it's warm.
Yeah, it'll be warm.
If I'm cold, I can just stand behind it and catch the warm air.
I'm looking forward to that 9-minute mark. Shake notification.
To see if it bings.
It should. If I read it properly.
We were a little bit concerned when we first got our package because the delivery man kind of
Dropped it.
dropped it on our porch. It sounded like he dropped it from a relatively high height.
Yeah. I worked up on the second floor and I heard it fall when the guy dropped the package off. And the box and the unit's probably about, I don't know, 12, 15 pounds altogether kind of thing. So it is a heavy little unit when it gets dropped on a deck.
Yeah. But thankfully it seems to be working just fine. There's your 9-minute mark.
Whew.
Wowzers. Tilt it.
It's a little smoky here, so. There's a lot of fat on those pork bellies, so it might be a little smoky in here. Oh, the alarms don't go off.
Yes.
Still smoking.
It's steam,
Yeah.
not necessarily smoke. I think our smoke detectors would be going wild if it was. Whew. That's some spicy sauce there. Even with the ranch. Oh! Added ranch. Come on, try. 10 minutes. let's see. Is it gonna go at 5?
He's smoky. We have our bathroom fan going. Those little pork belly bites were pretty smoky.
Fatty. Yeah.
Very fatty. So
Eat a lot of smoke.
we have a little jar that we throw all the grease in and stuff like that, so it doesn't go down the sink, but we store it and then
Dispose of
garbage
it
it.
properly. Yeah. So let us know though if you guys have any favorite air fryer recipes. Those of you that have an air fryer, because we're newbies at this, and
Yes.
would love to hear about them. Hot. We'll let those cool a second.
All right, lady.
They shrink up pretty tiny.
All that fat. I'm going for the fry.
All right. I was gonna cheers you. Hot.
Very yummy.
Tasty.
like it.
Definitely tasty. And our
Pork belly bite.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you. You too.
Well,
I think that will end our video. So you guys have a good evening.
God bless you.
Bye-bye.